Welcome back. This is Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more. Help us to share our video and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, help us to press on subscribe button. Help us to subscribe on it. It's very, very important to us. Please, and help us to tell your friends about the channel. In this video, I'll be walking you through the operator. It's a very short method. It's a short method of solving ordinary differential equation, which is second order. I'll be on the same way on the normal inhomogeneous equation. I'll be having case 1, case 2, case 3, which is exponential function. This one will be on polynomial function, and also I'll be working on this one will now be trigonometry function. That's all about that. Now, at the end of this video, you should be able to understand the 3 cases on using the operator, which is we're expecting our next series, which is I'll be working on the next series of our video will be Laplace transformation. It's going to be a very interesting one. Tell people around you that it's going to be very interesting. Now, let me start. If I'm talking about the operator, if I have d of a function of what? Of x squared, it means I'm having 2x. That is my d. It means I will differentiate this once. Now, if I'm having d squared, I think I'll introduce this thing during our differentiation, higher derivative. I've introduced what is called the operator. Now, under higher derivative, if I have of this particular square, it will be what? It will be 2. It will be 2. It means I'm to differentiate 2 times. Now, if I now have 1 all over what? D of what? Of this x squared. It means I am to integrate the function. It means I will integrate the function. Integral of what? Of x dx. That is the meaning. That is all about it. Now, when my d is an inverse, is what? Integrate. Why this one is not? It's what? Differentiate. That is very, very important in this part of what? Our video. Now, and let me show little way of differentiating, integrating, because also is on our integral. Before you watch this, make sure you watch calculus very well, both in differentiation and integration. If I have, for instance, I have 1 all over what? D plus what? 3 of what? Sine 2x. This is equals to, how do I differentiate it? Okay, let me just have a function like this. Put a function like this. Now, it means my function, it means what? It will be equals to what? E of a of f integral of what? E minus a of x, f of what? X dx. That's just very, very important. This is a powerful clue on this part. For instance, okay. Oh, let me just put a, sorry, let me put a. I'm still defining it. If I have d all over what? D plus what? 3 of what? Of sine 2x. It means my function will be equals to e. What is this? Is my 3. I'll be having 3x, which is going to be my expression of a integral of what? E raised to power minus 3x, and what? My f of x is equals to what? This is my f of x, which is going to be what? Sine 2x dx. And if I should differentiate this, I've done that. Integrate this. During our integration part, I've done that, which is I'll be having e minus e raised to power okay. I'm having e. Okay. I'm having e. If I have this, it means I'll be having e raised to power 3x, and I'll be having Okay, sorry, I made mistake here. Let me put this one. This one. Sorry, this is really what e3x. E3x. Now, if this one is plus, this one will be minus. This one will be plus. Sorry, this one will be plus. I made mistake. But if there is minus here, the story will change. Okay, now e integral of what? I want to integrate this particular problem. How do I integrate it? I will bring out this exponential. The exponential will not change. Differentiate, which is the upper integral, which is I'll be having 3. I will repeat this sine 2x. That is the first thing I will do. Minus, because our integral by parts is minus attaching them together. Bring out these two, I'll be having 2. I will now have cos 2x bracket of what? Divided by, now divided by, I will have 3 squared plus what? 2 squared. That is my integral of something like this. That's my integral, which I'll be having e3x bracket of what? 3 sine 2x minus 2 cos 2x divided by what? 9, 4, 13. That is my answer. 9, 4, 13. That will be the answer. Now, that is very, very important. If it's also the same way, I'm having of cos of sine. I think I've shown this thing in our integration. Make sure you watch it. Integration part 2. I think it's part 2. Yes, under partial fraction. Under by parts is part 2 of integration. Make sure you do it. Now, let me now move on to case 1 of integral. Now, of d-operator, case 1, which is what? Exponential function. I want to work on exponential function. For instance, if I have my y prime minus 5y prime plus 6y equals to e raised to power 5. We have done this in part 4. Part 4, which is the same thing under inhomogeneous equation. Now, my auxiliary equation will surely give me what? My auxiliary equation, it will be equals to m squared minus 5m plus 6 equals to 0, which I will be having, if I should have it, it means my m equals to 2, equals to 2, my m equals to 3. That is my, yes, 2 and 3, which I'll be having my y complement, it will be equals to a e 2x plus what? b e 3x. That is very, very important. What is my y complement? Now, we have done that in our previous video. Now, I will now move on to my what? It means my y particular, it will be equals to this one. I will combine them to d. It means, sorry, what I'm having there, I'm having d squared minus 4d plus what? 6 plus 6. Now, everything is having y, which is, I will now be equals to what? E5 of x. It means my y bracket of what? Or let me just flip it like this. D squared minus 5d plus 6, all bracket of what? Y equals to E5x. Now, my y, it will be equals to 1 all over what? D squared minus 5d plus what? 6. In the what? In exponential of x. Now, this one, there is a problem here. Anytime I have this, at this point, my d, at the point of d squared, my will put what? Power of what? Exponential. Power of what? Exponential, which is at 5. Now, when you have this square, just put the value of what? Put the value of d. Sorry, put the value power. Put power of what? Of e, which is exponential, which is what? Which is 5. Now, if I put it and I have 0, it means I will differentiate it down and add s here until I do not have 0 again. Please take note of that. For instance, now, For instance, I supposed to state it in equation. I'm sorry for that. There's no time. Now, if I have my y particular, it will be equals to 1 divided by this squared. That will be 5 squared minus 5 bracket of 5 plus 6 of e5x. Now, which I will have 6. This will cancel this one. Now, I'll be having, it means my y particular. My y particular, it will be equals to what? It will be equals to 1 all over what? 6 e5x. That is my y particular. That is my y particular. It means my y complement equals to y complement plus y particular, which is equals to y equals to, what's my complement? I have a e 2x plus b e 3x plus what? 1 over 6 e 5 of x. That's my final answer. I will put this number here, but I will run to problem if I do this and everything become 0. That is where my problem will come from. But if there is no e0 on denominator, I will grind on. That is all. That is all. Now, let me move on to another problem that can also be of help before we move on to case 2. Now, if I have something like this. I have my d operator as a, okay, for instance, I have this squared y plus 4 minus 4 dy minus 6y equals to 8e xy squared. All of this. Now, this is very, 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 very important. Note that my d operator, d is not a y prime. If it is d squared, it's meant for what? Y prime prime. That is just it. That is just it. That is not a problem. Now, it means I can turn this to what? I can turn this to what? D minus 4d 6 all bracket of y equals to 8e x all of 2. Now, it means my y particular to be equals to what? My y particular, it will be equals to, sorry, I won't move on to homogeneous parts, this part, sorry, there's no time for that. It will be equals to 1 divided by d squared minus 4d 6 and 8e x all over 2. Now, this is where problem lies. Now, if I put 1 all over 2, now put 1 over 2 here, yp equals to what? 1 divided by 1 all over 2 squared minus 4 bracket of 1 all over 2. Yes. Minus 6. Minus 6. Yes, this is, yes. Now, this one will be 1 over 4. 1 here 2. 1 all over 4 minus what? 2. Is it minus from the question? Is it minus all? Oh, this is plus. Sorry, let me put this. Sorry for that big mistake. This is plus. Now, so that I will be able to get what I need. Plus what? 6. This one I will have, S1 is what? It's going to be 8 1 minus what? 8. Okay, this minus this is going to be what? 4. I'll be having 4. Okay, I'll be having 4. Sorry, we have 4D now. I want to create something that will really make sense for us. Okay. Okay. Please let's put E here. Let's put D here. Sorry. 4 here. 4 here. 4 here. I'm just working on the question. Sorry, the question is coming from again. I'm sorry for that. I think I have 4 here. Yes. 4 here. If this is 4, and also I'm having something like this. Now, this will cancel this. This is going to be 1. This is going to be what? Okay, let me just work on. I want a question. Sorry for what happened. I need to change many things here. The question is not, I want something of 0. That is what I'm working on. Then if I put 1 here, I put 1 here, I put 1 here. Let's see what will happen here. I put 1 here, and this one also will be 1. This one will be 1. This one will be 2. Okay, 1, which is going to be what? 0. That's it. Everything will be 0 now. If I have this, Sorry, it will be everything will be 0. Since I have 0, it means I will now say that what? My y particular, it will be equals to, I will differentiate one more time. X1 divided by, since I differentiate, I will attach x to it. Differentiate this, I'll be having 8d minus what? Minus 4. Now, 8d minus 4, e of what? E of x all over 2. Now, if I put my all over 2 here, it will be 4. 4 minus 4, it will be 0. It means this is the, I'm having 4, 1 all over 2 minus 4. Here 1, here 2. 4 minus 4 is going to be what? It means I will differentiate it again. I will also call it y particular equals to 1. Once I differentiate it, it means I'll be having x multiplied by x, which is going to be what? X squared. Of what? 1 all over what? D, which is going to be 8 of what? E of x all over 2. Now, what I need here, once I substitute, I must not get 0 on my denominator. If I get, there will be a problem. Now, it means I will now say that x squared, e of what? X all over 2 divided by what? 8. That is my y particular. And we're told that our y equals to y complement plus what? Y particular. Whatever we get. I think we have to find the root of this equation, which is I will get 4, 4, and we get something very good. Now, that is all about this. Now, let me move on to case 2 of this problem. Okay, I want to move on to case 2. Okay. Now, my case 2. My case 2. My case 2. Okay, my case 2. This is my case, we're talking about what? Trig function. Trigonometric function. Now, my trigonometric function always iterates by what? By complex root. If my f of x equals to what? Sine ax or cos ax. That's my. It means y particular, it will be equals to 1 all over what? F of d squared cos ax, which is equals to, now it will be equals to 1 all over, which implies, sorry, it implies 1 over f of minus a squared. Hope you know that if I have minus a squared, this is not the same thing as a squared. This cannot be same mathematically. It's not the same. Please take note of this simple problem. I think on our basic mathematics, you're going to understand that one very well. Now, that is going to be what I'm talking about there. It will be what? Cos what? Cos ax. Cos ax. For instance, now, that is for instance. Suppose, please take note of that. I did not give that condition that time. Minus a squared give me what? 0. It means I will now say that what? Y particular equals to x dot 1 f bracket of what? A squared, and I will differentiate it of what? Prime is, if I have prime, it means I'm different derivative of that function. Of what? Derivative of that function of what? A of x. That is all about it. Now, please take note of this definition. It's very, very important at this junction. Now, let me move on to example on them. Okay, if I have this particular problem, I have y prime prime my plus 2y prime plus 4y equals to what? Cos x. My auxiliary equation also, I think I can turn my d, which is going to be d squared. Please, I won't, there's no time. I think we have done a lot of work on the auxiliary part of the equation. Watch our previous video of d plus what? 4 bracket of what? Y equals to cos x. It means my y particular, it will be equals to what? 1 divided by d squared minus 2d plus 4 cos x. Cos x. Now, at this place, that's where I will put my what? function of my what? Of my, it means my, it will not be what? Don't forget that that time I'm talking about f of d, wherever, it's equals to what? Minus a squared. Now, my a here now is 1. My a is what? Is 1. Because what I'm having here, cos 1x. Cos 1x. It means I will be having, I will not concentrate on my what? D, which is e equals to what? 1 divided by minus 1 squared minus 2d plus 4, which I will be having cos what? X. Now, my y particular equals to what? 1 divided by what? Oh. Now, y divided by what? Which I will be having 4. I mean, is it 4? Okay. Okay. I'll be having, is it, this is plus. Sorry, these are plus. Now, I will now be having 2d plus what? Plus 3 of what cos x. That is first thing I will do. Now, I cannot go. Okay, what can I do here now? I will now move on to the next one. What can I do? If I need this square, I don't need this one. I don't need this one. I need this square. Now, how do I generate my this square? I can rationalize the denominator. I will conjugate and rationalize it. If I conjugate and rationalize it, it means I'll be having 2d minus 3 bracket of cos x divided by what? 4d squared minus what? 9. 4d squared minus 9. I think I conjugate and rationalize. That is what I mean there. Now, I will now move on. What is my, I will now say that 2d minus 3 bracket of cos x divided by 4 bracket of minus 1 squared minus 9, which I'll be having 4 minus 4 minus 1 to be minus 13. Now, 2d minus 3 cos x to the bracket of divided by minus 4 minus 9 to be minus 13. Now, minus 13. Now, since I have my minus 13, I will now move on to what? To d of what? Cos x minus 3 cos x. Everything divided by minus 13. Now, I want to differentiate this. I'll be having minus. I've explained at the beginning of the question that means the problem that I will be having 2 minus what? Sin x minus what? 3 cos what? X divided by what? Minus 13. Now, mathematically, I think my minus can go. Minus can go. Mathematically, this one will become plus. Mathematically, my minus can go. Now, that is my what? My y particular. My y particular. Now, you can now solve for your what? Which is my what? My y particular. My y equals to y complement plus what? Y particular. I think I told you that one is not a problem. Anybody can do that one. No, I've explained how to generate this. That is all about that. Now, let me give more example on this. Okay, more example on it before we now move on to explain. Okay, hope it's making sense. Okay, kind of further solutions are really showing about space. Now, I have let me move on to another one. Okay. Okay. Let me move on to case 3. There's no time. Case 3 is okay. I think you can try, but what you just did there, you must not get 0 in the first case. Second case, you are operating on your what? On this square. That is very important. Now, my case 3, if I have y prime prime, we have done all this in our part 5 and part 4, which is inhomogeneous method. But this time around, I'm working on d-operator method. This is called d-operator method. Now, how do I do it? The same way, I'll be having d squared minus 3dy plus 2y equals to 4x squared. Now, polynomial, condition for the polynomial, the same way. Okay, but this one is a bit technical. Now, y particular, it will be equals to 1 divided by what? D squared minus what? 3d plus what? 2. plus 2 of what? 4s squared. Now, this one is a bit technical. How do I do this one now? I have to use my knowledge of what? Long division is very, very needed here. Long division is very needed. How do I use my knowledge of long division? I have, this is my long division. I need the upper part. This is my long division. This is called quotient. This is called divisor. This is called dividend, and the one to have here is called remainder. That is very, very important. I will now move on here. This particular is my divisor. This is my divisor. Now, my divisor will now be what? 2 minus 3d plus d squared. Plus d squared. And my dividend is the polynomial, which is going to be what? 4s squared plus 0s plus what? 0. I just generate those things. How do I go? This divided by this. I'll be having what? Now, 4s squared divided by 2, which I will have what? 2s squared. 2s squared. Is it 2s? Yes, 2s squared. Now, my 2s squared, I will now write it here. 2s squared. That is first thing I'll do. I will now use that my 2s squared to multiply everything that is here. 3d minus d squared. Now, this is going to be 4s squared minus 6. Differentiate these 2 times, which is going to be 12. 12x. I'm differentiating. Okay. And sorry, I think this is going to be plus. Don't mind me. Now, this times this, it means I'm to differentiate 2 times. 2 times 2, which is going to be what? Plus 4. I'll be having 4x. And yes, only 4. Because you generate 2, someone of that with them. Now, I will now write what I've got here. I will now put it here. 4s squared minus 12x plus what? 4. That is what I will write there. That is what I will what? Right? It's a bit technical. You have to be very calm and understand the logic very, very well. Now, I can now use my logic. This will move out this. That is how to know that I'm doing the right thing. This will give us what? 12x minus 4. Now, I'll move on to the next one. This divided by, it means 12x divided by what? 2. The way we normally do our long division method, which I will be having 6 plus 6x. Now, my plus this says, I will now use it to times everything that is here, which is 6 bracket of 2 minus 3d plus what? D squared. I have 12x. I have minus. This is going to be what? 18. If I differentiate x, I will be having 1. I'll be having 18. And this one will be what? 18. And if I differentiate the 2 times, it will be 0. It means this one will be what? I'll be having 12x minus 18 divided by. Now, I'm not less. I'll now move on to this one now, which I'll be having this minus this. This minus this. It's going to be what? It's going to be 14. Now, the next one, I will now move on again. 14 divided by 2, which is going to be what? 7. I will now 7 bracket of what? 2 minus 3d plus d squared, which I'll be having 14. I'll be having 0, 0, which I will be having 14. Now, my remainder is what? 0. I'll be having 0. Sorry, this is 7 plus 7. Now, my remainder is what? 14. And now, what I will now, my y particular is the quotient of the what? Of the function. What is my quotient? 2s squared plus what? 6x plus 7. That is my final answer. That is my final answer. At this point, that is the end of second order differential equation for now, which is this method, homogeneous and inhomogeneous method with the operator. The next video will be working on maybe we'll move on to some part or Laplace transformation of second order. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. Help us to do more, share more, show your friend, contribute your little efforts. You can't. Further solution, further solutions. Okay. Thanks so much. Share and also subscribe to our channel. Help us to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much. Okay. Jesus, thank you.